After almost 2 years, I am finally back in the stunning mountains of the Cordillera. But we have a twist this time because for the first time, I will be using a brand new outdoor smartwatch. This is the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and I can't wait to use it. So come on and let's go hike. You know that my channel is focused about traveling, outdoor adventure, and finding the right gear to make out of every trip. And today, I'm so excited to share with you my experience using the Amazfit T-Rex 3 because I've been using it for almost 3 weeks now, not just for hiking, not just for cycling, not just for running, but also when I'm just sleeping. Don't worry, I'm gonna discuss it further, but right now, I'll be discussing first the design, price point, built-in quality, what makes this watch a unique one, and who is this for. Just a disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Amazfit, but I'm still gonna make my honest review about my experience with this watch. I'm trying to speak English for general audience.
The T-Rex 3 is built for outdoor enthusiasts. It's got a military-grade rugged design that's shock, water, and temperature resistant. I have tested it through rough terrain and rainy days, no issues, and also it's already free diving certified up to 45 meters.
It has this comfortable silicone strap for long use of this watch, and it comes with a screen. The 1.5 AMOLED screen is impressive, crisp and bright. Even in direct sunlight, it's easy to read map or workout stats in any lights. Although I wish I can change black into white, but black looks classy, right? Now let's talk about its display. Since it has 2000 nits of brightness, it's really usable, especially if you're in a bright situation. And one thing that I also love about this watch is even if you're wearing a glove like 2mm thick glove, you can still use it with your hand, and some watch you cannot use it. The main function of a smartwatch for an adventurer like me is for me to have my offline map. You're gonna do hiking and it's your first time there and you're just yourself. It's really helpful to have a smartwatch to have your offline map, like you're gonna import it here and you won't be able to focus on your phone, right? One of my favorite features is the dual band GPS. It locks into my location fast and accurately, even off the grid. Perfect for tracking altitude and distance. You can download free global contour and snow maps, track your adventure accurately with dual band positioning backup by 6 satellite system for fast connection. Get turn direction from your smartwatch as you go. I wasn't able to test it while I was hiking, but I think in the next few hikes that I'll be doing, it's gonna be really useful, especially that I'm just all by myself. So let's talk about its battery life. According to its spec, it can last up to 27 days. Wow! The battery life is a big win here. With a 700 mAh battery, I got up to 27 days on regular use and about 2 days on heavy use with GPS and tracking.
I was pretty impressed with its battery life because I was wearing it for 7 days for a regular basis, and when I checked my watch, it's still around 80%. And yeah, this can last up to 27 days. I haven't charged it for 7 days and I did my hiking using the workout mode, and since the GPS is on, the battery drains faster. On my day 3 of hiking, technically it's 10 days without charging. I saw that I still have 30% battery life and I was able to record my data and went back home, still have 5%. I didn't charge it for 15 days and I left my charger at home. Yeah, I'm really impressed with its battery life.
The Amazfit T-Rex 3 can last up to 27 days with typical use, 42 hours in GPS accurate mode.
One thing I love about Amazfit T-Rex 3 is you can detect your current heart rate. I think before, nung hindi ako nagsuot ng watch, I don't know kung ano yung current status ng heart ko. Current status na. It's really helpful, especially when hiking right now, because you can track your limits. Like if it's 175, you reach your max. Cycling up. So right now, I have 172 anaerobic. So you can detect your heart rate like right now. Distance, 12 kilometers, 45 minutes and 7 average speed. You can also play music while cycling. Whew. Heart rate, 150 aerobic right now. So they can easily detect your heart rate, whether you're tired. And I'm tired now. 1.84 pa lang yung distance na. The current elevation right now is 514. So you know that we're gonna go down. And it's getting hotter when elevation's getting low.
One of the most important features that I love about this smartwatch is you can track not just your heart rate, the current altitude that you're in right now. Like if you're gonna do hiking, and sometimes you need to track your altitude to avoid altitude sickness, so you know how many meters you need to go up, and you can easily compute how many hours do you need to go up so you can avoid the darkness, right? So this smartwatch, it's so small but it has 170 workout modes. Yeah, for cycling, it has 11 cycling workouts. Outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, mountain biking, BMX, e-bike, EMTB, gravel cycling, bicycle commuting, bicycle touring, road cycling, cyclocross. I don't know if you can see it right now, but they have so many options here. That's why they have 170 types of workout. They also have compass, so if you're gonna do diving or you're in the mountains, it's really useful. Another thing that I love is I can track my sleep and connect it to my mobile phone. You can also track your menstrual cycle here. Another feature is they have now ChatGPT here, so if you're just gonna request on your watch, hey, please turn on the light, hey, please turn on the flashlight, will automatically respond to you. Yeah, so the question is, can you use this watch even if you're not an adventurer? Of course, this watch is not just for adventure. It's also for someone who have this active lifestyle and who wants to chase for adventure. From its previous version, the T-Rex 2, they already upgraded this to Gorilla Glass, and it's 100% brighter and 100% larger. So generally, how was my experience here as first-time user of this watch? I can say that it's really a friendly user because they have these buttons that in just one click, it will automatically change to different modes. And even syncing it to its Zap app, it was so easy and so fast, providing detailed insights into my thoughts. If you're gonna look into your mobile phone, it's not just about tracking your daily workout, like how many calories you burn, but also tracking how many hours of sleep did you get last night. Because yeah, it can detect how deep your sleep is, how light is it. Also, one thing that I love about this smartwatch, it's so easy to connect it on your Strava. So all you have to do is go to the settings of your Zap app and connect it to your Strava so it can automatically sync your data from your smartwatch to your Strava. I also tried to connect it with my Garmin Edge 540. So I just went to the menu settings, click heart rate, and connect it to the stat of my Garmin, and they just automatically connect. I can easily see my heart rate in there. The smartwatch on my previous hike and while just cycling around, I love that it's rugged and durable with bright AMOLED display, accurate GPS tracking, long-lasting battery, comprehensive health and support tracking. But it just so feel bulky when you have a small wrist. The most powerful thing about this smartwatch is this is just $14,999 and Garmin is around $65,000. 1,000. It's 4 times cheaper. It has a large 1.5 display with 2000 nits brightness and made with stainless steel bezel and buttons, free offline maps and advanced GPS with 45-meter free diving support. It's already under free diving certification, so it's really accurate. It has 170 plus built-in sports mode, and the battery can last up to 27 days. The motto of this watch is brave for adventure and ready for anything adventure. So I can be ready more to any adventure. It has been a great companion on my adventure, and it's gonna be a great companion to even more adventure. If you want a reliable, rugged smartwatch with excellent GPS and health monitoring, this is a solid choice for its size and for its price. I have the link in the caption below and it's on sale on Shopee. So yeah, make sure to get it now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, just comment it below. Yes! Thanks for tuning in and I hope to see you guys on my next adventure. See you on the next one. Dami pa nangyayari. Dami pang ganap. Bye!